Hi, Crow! Day 64 of befriending a crow. Today the crow did eat out of my hand and solved the intelligence game. He also pulled the jar around, which is the intelligence game, after it was opened and emptied. I'd like to remind you that if we hit 500 subscribers by the end of the year, I'll do a face reveal. Please watch the video until the end and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Oh, sorry. Wait a minute, I need to clean my lens a little bit. Well, the crow was really fast at solving the intelligence game today. I mean, he solved it immediately. They really like the eggs today. Well, the crow did not eat out of my hand. He went up front. Oh, he's the jar puller. Oh, there's a crow right next to me. Let's give him food. Oh, he solved the other intelligence game. I think that wasn't in frame when he solved it. Sorry about that because I was trying to film the hand-eating crow. They were really fast today. Really close. It's very close again. Well, I guess I'll have to end it turn for him. I don't know what it is today that he doesn't comes close. Or something happened with... Yeah, he lifted the jar. They're carrying that thing around. The lid of the jar is broken. They really like throwing it. Oh, now they knocked over the other jar. Sorry that I don't get all that on frame because I'm trying to get this crow eating out of my hand. Thanks, crow. Took him a while. I mean, it was because I was turning around and looking at the... Oh, the jar puller is pulling the jar up. There's another jar in front, crow, and I think you know that. That's why. Well, no, he doesn't want to take it. Sorry about the lens glare. Just holding my hand right there. There is a little bit of lens glare today because it's sunny. And also I arrived a little bit later because on Thursdays I arrive a little bit later. how they're carrying the jar around. They definitely have to pull the jar around quite a bit. There's more than just my hand-eating crow pair. They're still pulling that jar. Now they're moving in a flock, the crows. You can tell that because there have appeared there's more than just my hand-eating crow. Oh, crow wants to eat out of my hand. He lifted the jar up. He's fumbling his jar and it was spinning in a weird way. Someone's taking a bath now. And they're really carrying that around. How hard is it gonna be for me to find it? They're still carrying that thing around. There's definitely food stuck. How far does he need to carry it? Yeah, he's gonna carry it a little bit further than we think. I'm not filming everything that's happening here, but because what he's doing is too interesting. A lot of jar pulling. Probably soon he's gonna give up on that jar and pull the other jar. You'll never catch the jar. Okay, you got it the right way around. He's gonna roll it for... No, he's pulling it back. He's wasting his time with the jar. I'll follow it very closely. Okay, now he's flipping the jar around and... What is his goal with it? This only happens when there's food stuck onto the bottom real bad. And he wants to get it all out. How far does he want to move that thing? He probably wants to take it to the... What is he doing with the jar? Okay, he's flipping it again. Thanks, Crow. I wanted to feed the hand-eating crow. He didn't do much with it. He just flipped it a few times with his beak. What is he doing? Did the jar hurt him or do anything bad? It's been a while since he last pulled his jar this far. I mean, it's shifted quite a lot. I mean, you can see the fact that the crow has no destination for the jar because I think he thinks it's fun to play with the thing. Because they also do things for fun, but it definitely must smell like food. Yeah, I'm quite sure it's not gonna be happy to... Is it... Okay, is he giving up on the jar? Yes. Oh, now he's pulling the other jar away. Or probably get by the tomorrow, which is going to be the last day of the day series. We're not going to have a jar. I mean, yeah, this jar is gonna disappear too. I've been concentrating on what's happening with the jars. The jar that took Crow Postal Service is still there. I just came up with the Crow Postal Service's name. I mean, the jar's very cheap. Crow Postal Service costs nothing but food. And you can buy the cheapest possible food. Okay, maybe I don't need to make an ad in my video for Crow Postal. Just tugging the lid. Oh, here's one of the lessons. Is hand-eating crow. No. Well, he definitely isn't gonna do it. Good job. It's definitely one of the ones in the pair of the hand-eating crow. Yeah, I think I just have to wait with him. Very close, crow. Oh, they left. Now I have an opportunity to go ahead and fix the problem with this jar. No damage to it, but not in its place. Not gonna refill it now. I don't have the food material to refill. I'm gonna have them concentrate on the otherwise I would refill that thing. If I had enough bird seed too. Because I don't want to bring so much bird seed. It'd be too heavy, and I don't really expect to have to do the filling here. I usually never have to do filling here, so I'm not gonna refill it because anyway it's done its purpose. And Crow got to take it with Crow Postal Services. I wonder what their customer service is like. Hey, yeah, we lost the package on its way, and then it turns out the Crow found food somewhere else, so he didn't want to take the postal service package. Helicopter. It's like a police helicopter. Yeah, it's definitely a police helicopter. Thanks, Crow. You're so greedy. It's hilarious how greedy he is. This chick was really cool. Well, the chicks usually don't eat out of my hand. Well, now the sun is in the cloud and there is no lens glare, but the video is getting quite long for you to watch, so I think I'm gonna wrap the video up here. And if you've made it this far in the video, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll do a face reveal if we hit 500 subscribers by the end of the year. And one other thing I want to tell you is I'm really thankful for the audience I have. And stay tuned for day 65 of Befriending a Crow. That's it for day 64. And if something really interesting happens, I'll start filming. Otherwise, it'll just be like this.